This mxuteuk Automotive Screws Kit provides a thoughtfully chosen assortment of self-tapping body screws that covers most common repair, air, and trim needs on modern vehicles. With a total of 280 pieces spread across 24 different sizes, it is easy to match the correct screw to bumpers, fenders, and interior panels without hunting through hardware stores. The screws are made from sturdy metal with a protective black phosphate finish, which helps resist rust and wear in harsh road environments like winter salt and moisture. Phillips heads and sharp, self-tapping points allow these fasteners to bite cleanly into sheet metal or plastic, making installation straightforward even for do-it-yourself users with basic tools. The kit works well for a wide range of applications, including securing bumper covers, radiator shrouds, engine splash shields, door and trunk trim, and other body panels that often loosen over time. Everything arrives sorted in a compartmented box, so the screws stay organized by size and are ready to grab when you are tackling quick repairs or more involved restoration work.